So you guys, if you're interested in how I made my pulled pork sandwiches, would you please stay tuned, watch, and be blessed. We will see you on the next one. So it's just pulled pork and fries with coleslaw on them. Okay, today this is my beginning of falling all over fall. I am making a pork bun today. The seasonings you would need would be brown sugar, salt, seasoned salt, black pepper, garlic powder, vinegar, if I didn't say that. And you put your brown sugar over here. And then you can also use this here. You put over there and let it sit overnight. Then you take your onion, your bell peppers, put it in a slow cooker and let it cook all day. And then I'm gonna show you how it look, because I'm gonna make me some pulled pork sandwiches. That's gonna be our dinner for today. Let's get it. After I let this sit on the stove for 8 hours on low, this is how it's looking. Let me turn on the light so you can see it. So this is how it's looking. And then you just let it all fall apart. Once it fall apart, you put your barbecue sauce on there, and then you put it in the oven. And you let it cook like 15-20 more minutes so the barbecue sauce can incorporate into the meat. And then you got you some good old pulled pork. Okay, here's how the pulled pork turned out. I'm gonna try to get some of this fat off of here. And then we're gonna put some barbecue sauce on here and put it in the oven for a little bit. We'll be back when I show you the barbecue sauce. I'm finna pull the pork a little bit more. So this is how it's turning out. It's like this. And then we're going to put the barbecue sauce on there. And then we're going to label some of that juice that the pork cooked in. And also, we're going to put it in the oven for about 35 minutes. Just so everything can incorporate. So everything can incorporate. And we're just putting barbecue sauce over it. Like that. You gotta make sure you go all the way through all the pulled pork. Like that, like so. And we're just making the same coleslaw that we made before, but this time put carrots in them. Some strange reason, when it get cold, I like carrots in my coleslaw. But then too, I like carrots in my coleslaw with pulled pork, because that's how it was introduced to me. I'm gonna put a little splash of vinegar in here. Just a little splash to cut down that sweetness or that barbecue sauce. And label some of this stuff in here. Label some of this juice in there. So I'm trying not to put the fat from the pulled pork in there. And then this go in the oven for 30 minutes. So everything can incorporate. When we come back, we'll be showing you how the sandwich look. That's that. So this is the same recipe as last time. The only thing that's different is I put carrots in there. That's the only thing different.